Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily find out if someone is online on Facebook Messenger. If you've ever wondered how to check if someone is currently active or when they were last online, stick around because it's super simple. First, open up your Facebook Messenger app. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access the settings. From there, find and tap on Active Status. Make sure that the Active Status option is turned on. This feature allows you to see when someone is active, and it will also show you if they're currently online. When it's turned on, you'll notice a little green circle next to their profile picture in your chats. This means they're online right now. If they've been active recently, but not right at this moment, you'll see a timestamp showing when they were last active, like 36 minutes ago. So, that's all it takes to see if someone is online or has been recently active on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video helped. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.